Okay, your wife or a girlfriend is mad at you and you don't know what to do about it, okay? You're always arguing with her and this relationship never gets better. Here your brother is going to share with you some 6 things that women need from a man but will actually never tell you. Number 1 is vulnerability. You can't make a relationship with someone who is not willing to be vulnerable. If you are not vulnerable with your woman that you are with and you want to have a relationship with her, like, it's not gonna work out. I know this from my own personal experience because when I was vulnerable, actually, when I tried to be vulnerable, I was able to get a girlfriend. I actually got a girlfriend. But currently at my point, I'm not being vulnerable like with any woman because really I just want to focus on myself. I'm seeing that always when I'm not vulnerable, nothing can hurt me, but nobody can actually love me. But I know how to be vulnerable. So when I will be ready for the love and ready to have a relationship, I will become vulnerable. So really you have to be vulnerable because you can't make a relationship with someone who is closed off. I mean, you can share your feelings with some other person, but if he's not like vulnerable with you, he's not on that level with you, it's not gonna work out. Really, they need your vulnerability. And if you're not willing to be vulnerable, like, you are not going to get a girlfriend. The simple fact is, if you want to be loved, love first yourself and share your feelings yourself first. The second thing is your stability. There are 3 types of stabilities. You have emotional stability, which is when something goes wrong in your life, you don't overreact, you don't cry because of it, you don't bullshit about it, argue, scream about it. You just have this cold mentality, and when something shitty happens, like, you are able to pick yourself up and solve the problem with confidence and with cold mind. This is super attractive to women because if you have a cold mind and you are able to solve problems by yourself with a cold mind, she can just sit back, and follow you because she knows that she is taken care of and that she's secure with you. The second stability is economical stability. It means like you just have money. If you are not financially stable, you don't have your own house, you don't know how to operate with finances, you don't know what to do with your money and how to spend it, it's not attractive. You must learn about money, you must learn how it works, and you must make it work for your favor so you can provide for your family and keep your family healthy and have a good future for the kids. The woman is looking out for the best man that can provide and let the kids thrive, and you can do that by your money. And the third stability is rational stability. This means that she can count on you and she can rely on you. Every single woman wants a man that she can rely on, that she can say, okay, this is a man that I can trust, and whenever I need him to help me, he's going to be here. He's going to be there. And that's really important, and you should be following that and be this kind of man. The number 3 is your acceptance. This is a huge topic when it comes to women. You need to accept a woman basically for who she is, okay? If you can't do that, you are not going to have a good relationship with this person. If you can't accept this person fully and really respect all the boundaries that she has, you are not going to be able to live with this person. A single woman is seeking acceptance from all of these good men that are out there, and you can't have a relationship if you don't accept the person. Don't try to change the woman. If you're not happy in the relationship, and if you don't like her for who she is, like, leave the relationship. It's gonna hurt you in the long run. And what I've realized that people don't change. And if you want to change your life and change yourself, you gotta start with you, okay? You have to start with yourself and do the hard work that is required for the change, because some people aren't willing to do this kind of change. And you have to understand that. If you want change, don't try to change her. Never do that. If you got into a relationship and you want to stay in the relationship, you have to learn how to accept this person for who this person is. You have to accept them fully. Fourth thing is emotional presence. This means that you are able to listen to her and actually respond to what she's saying. If you're not able to listen to her and respond to her, you have a problem in a relationship. She can't be feeling loved when you are not even listening to her. You need to learn how you can listen to her and how you will respond to her. Really learn this. It's really important. And it also means that you don't ignore her. You don't ignore your partner. If you will ignore your partner, like, it's not gonna be healthy. If you're in a relationship and you just disappeared from the bed where you slept together, like, you should tell your partner, or at least text the partner, like, where the hell you are. Because when the partner wakes up and there is no partner on the next side of the bed, they will be like, what the fuck? Like, where the fuck is my partner? They'll be sad because they would like to kiss you probably, or do other stuff with you. But really, like, let them know, okay? If you are going to be with the partner and you're in a relationship, like, let them know where you are so they can have a peaceful mind, okay? And they don't have to stress about where the hell you are. The number 5 is protectiveness. Every woman wants to be with a man that can protect her, that she can feel safe and protected. Women aren't here to hunt, to save. A man is for this, okay? A man is here to protect, to let the family survive behind him. You know, he's the leader. He should be the leader of the crowd. And if he's not, like, there are some big issues, okay? So really, don't be afraid to be the leader and take the lead. So really, a woman needs your protection and safety, and you need to make her feel like she's protected and safe, because otherwise the relationship is not going to work. And the last thing that I have on today's list is assertiveness. If you are a straight man and you are looking for a woman, like, you should be assertive. You should really, like, be this kind of leader and really have this assertiveness, because it will help your life, honestly. Really try to learn how to be assertive and don't ask people for permissions, and do the things that you want to do by your own self, okay? Don't rely on others for your own success. Don't do that. Assertive just really means that you are able to decide what you are going to do. Most women don't want to decide because they're probably confused in life. They don't know what to do. And so here you are, a man, and you have to do that for her. You have to take the lead, be assertive, and really, like, lead her and do the things that you think will be good for your life. And if it really, like, benefits your life, like, it was actually good. So really learn to be assertive and make the best decisions in your life that you can as soon as possible, because nobody will do that for you. Like, you will meet assertive people, definitely, that they are really, like, confident in the things that they do. You will meet those people, but, like, they can't make assertive decisions for yourself. Learn to be assertive and do anything that you want in your life, and always follow that. That's all from me today. And if you are struggling with life and you don't know how to be productive, I actually have a video on that. You can click on the link right here on this video. It should be somewhere right here, and it will send you on the video where I share some productivity tips. And as always, never forget the true but